In this tutorial, I'd like to go through step by step how to make a program with TekiMate. This is the opening screen that you're going to see, and here goes your title for your Teki. Then you'll put in this box who's created it. In this box here goes a short description. I'll quickly show you where that's going to appear on your Teki. So when you open up the Teki, it will show the title and a short description, and there you go. Now as we go through, you've also got space to put an about box URL. That's where people will click when they see about, and also an about link text. Again, let me show you where that's going to appear on your Teki. So on this Teki, for example, you go to the help and about, and then you'll see it gives the title of the Teki, the name of who's created it, the link, and the link text. So although it says created by TekiMate, the link that's going to open up to will be the Facebook page as stipulated here. Okay, the next thing that you'll do is select the folder where your recipe or recipes are located, and you just click this button here. You'll see this one is in my downloads, TekiMate Pro Work Charity Teki. So if I want to find it, it would go to downloads, TekiMate Pro Work Charity Teki, like that. This field here are the documents within the folder that TekiMate is going to look for tags. So at the moment it says TXT, HTML, HTML, PHP and CSS, which is cascading style sheet. So leave that as it is. There's another box here for instructions or help. You can put a URL in there and then click the next button. Now on this one you'll scan for tags. You just click that button and it's going to pull up all the tags that are in the documents within the folder that you've stipulated. Now this is quite important, because if, for example, you have a tag that's positioned at the end and you decide that you would like that higher up so that the question appears at a different point in your program, all you have to do is highlight it and you can move it up to wherever you want it to go, or likewise you can move it down. Okay, so we'll press next, and then for each tag there'll be a question or an entry that you'll put in, and there's various types that you can select, from just a one line of text to multiple lines of text. For example, when you're putting in a paragraph, you can provide a list of answers, which would be good for multiple choice. You can select a file, which would be useful if you wanted to insert a sound file or an image into your program. You can use a system value that again will come on later. Basically, system values are values held within the computer, so you don't have to put them in. For example, one system value would be a date, and there's several of them that you can use. So we'll come back to where we were, and the tag is what is your name. Yeah, so all of the tags you can put whatever you like in, whatever is appropriate for your particular program. At the end you'll hit finished, and then again to start with just use the option to output where the user, or basically ask the user where to output whatever your program is doing. You can click this button here that will open that folder when they finished your program. Initially, again, stick to the default values here. On finishing, just display the standard finish message, but you have got other options. The zip and HTML to PDF, these are advanced features, only available in the advanced program. Okay, so we'll leave that at standard. You'll then select a folder in which you're going to create your program. And to do that, you'll just click this button here. You'll go to wherever you wanted to. I'll do that one, Techie-charity letter. Then give your program a name. You don't have to put in .exe, it will do it for you. And then make sure you enable the save and load feature. This is so that users of your program can save what they've already done if they have to stop halfway, or say they use your program and they create something and they want to change a small part of it. For example, they've made a website and they decide, oh, I want to change the header. Well, instead of having to start all over again, they can just load up what they've already done and then make changes. Leave this file extension as it is. Here we have in TekiMate the feature to add a background image to really make your program stand out and put your individual stamp on your programs. We've given you a selection of samples, and here's one that I'm using. So you just find again your image wherever it is, find the folder, click on the image, and there it is. Here you can choose the text color that's going to appear on your Techie. I've chosen here a dark brown, here on the Techie in the title, and also down here in explanatory notes that I put in. Finally, you've got a finish button. You can call that whatever's appropriate. Most of the time we just put, for example, submit. We'll leave some of these other things for later on. I'll take the demo feature out. These are only available in the advanced program. The spinning is an add-on, and so is the demo. We'll have separate videos quickly about those. Okay, then you click build your software. It will ask you to save. And when you've saved it, this one's overwriting one that I've already done. You open the location, and there it is. And then you just the person using your program would just answer the questions or fill in the information as it comes up. And at the end, it will output the letter for you. I won't go through all of this because there's another tutorial that does this. Anyway, I hope that's been of help, and look forward to seeing you in another tutorial. Thanks for watching.